Hey, I'm Ryan Cutts.
I'm Ryan Sun. You can't hear the other two, but there's also Daniel Casabov and Gabriel Diaz. We worked on Freebird.
And Freebird was our project that basically allows us to set up live tracking of various people on Twitter and companies as well. And you'll see we can calculate sentiment scores, and we track the number of positive tweets and negative tweets, as well as a tweet velocity or tweets per minute. And we do all that in real time.
Yes, we were able to do this in real time because we are using gRPC. Can you explain what gRPC is, Daniel?
Yeah, so gRPC is a super efficient protocol made by Google that uses protocol buffers, basically a very efficient way of encoding packets on the internet. And it also supports things like bidirectional streaming, so we don't have to implement WebSockets or anything, or HTTP or REST APIs. We just define this file, it generates our code for us, and we're good to go, basically.
And so with that in mind, if we are able to, you can see if you go to companies that these numbers are actively changing. Say for Meta, you can see that the positive tweets and the negative tweets are going to go up for any one of these companies. Oh, like Amazon, you can see positive tweets increasing. And if we actually click on one of the tabs, you can see a live stream of tweets coming in related to Amazon. And these all have a sentiment analysis. Can you talk about sentiment analysis?
Yeah. So all the tweets get scored individually, and then those get aggregated into the final score. Let me pull up some of the code here. So I use TextBlog for the sentiment analysis, and we use the Twitter API to get the live stream. So we specified criteria for each person or company, and then each tweet that matched the criteria, we scored it, and then we've got a rolling updating the database, and then on the front end they see those changes and are able to update the scores here.
Yeah, and for our friend, we just used React because we believe it's one of the easiest frameworks to use right now, and that gives us a nice dynamic web page that also sort of takes style cues a little bit from Twitter. And the end goal for this product was really to say that, is there a way that we can take the public opinion and maybe try and use that as sort of like a guesstimate of how a company could potentially perform, and would this allow us to make informed decisions on our own stock market trades? And so that was the motivation for creating Freebird. And as you can tell by the cat at the top, he's also opening his mouth a lot. That was also indicative of the fact that live tweet streams are coming in, and so we are receiving them, processing them in the back end, and then displaying the analytics in the front end in forms of our sentiment score, our tweets per minute, as you can see, and the live stream of tweets as they come in. So
and then if you open one of the people, you can actually see some tweets. So go to companies and like Amazon. Some of these are not very good because Twitter users, but generally these are all the tweets that are matched for a particular company.
Right, and if you can refresh the page too, I think that'll also show. Yeah, these are in fact dynamic. Click Amazon. Yeah. So thanks for watching.